you get a preview of the Hunky Dory Midnight Garden on this idea sheet that's included in every set. This is a very different look for Hunky Dory. So you're going to see 3, 6, 7, 8 ideas here, and on the back you're going to see another 9. So that's really nice to get some ideas. No instructions, but the ideas are probably good enough for you to be able to finish and make your projects, or at least to get a beginning on it. Now this collection has 120 pieces, so let me show you what I mean when I say how different it is. The imagery is dark, but it has a dark background, but it allows the designs to show, and we're going to get in even closer. There you go. So you can see that little squirrel, the squirrel right there, the birds on that picket fence. We've got some sweet little owls. We've got some more birds right there. And then again, we also have these designs that have words with them. So especially for you, to a wonderful couple, handmade with love. That's nice to put on the back of your card. And then you've got some borders also. Now these are printed on the Mirri, M-I-R-R-I paper, which gives them an extra sheen, but they are also foiled, this time in pink and blue on the same sheet. Not sure how they did that, but they did. Now you're going to get two of every single sheet I'm going to show you. So 2 of these, 2 of these. So Midnight Garden, you can see the squirrels scampering in the garden, just really, really pretty. We've got another one over here, Enjoy Life's Moments, with some large borders, birthday wishes. We've got some little hedgehogs down here, and more best wishes sent with love. Now these can be tags because there's a little hole that you can pop out and thread a ribbon through if you like. 2 of those. 2 of these adorable bunnies, and look at this, purple foil as well as green on the same sheet. Yes, we've got some little skunks, and happy birthday just for you, from our family with love, if you want to use that. Just really nice. And again, they're nested, so there's 1, 2, 3 pieces on this and 3 on that. Now we've got some other sweet little guys, some little mice, some foxes, just really, really charming. And then we're going to have, now again, you're going to get 8 sheets. That's 2 of every one I just showed you. Then we're going to get the adorable Scorable. This too is printed on the Mirri. It is the heavyweight cardstock. And as you can see, you're going to get that same imagery, and it is foiled on these sheets. Can you see that? I hope you can see that. Well, you can see that metallic. Well, I can see it in person, getting a little bit with the shine on the camera, but you can see, and the foiling is happening right up there. So 2 of those. 2 of these. Now, if you're like us, we love to cut these and use one for the front, maybe another front, or maybe the inside, take a piece of it. So you can get lots of pieces out of these A4 sizes. Here are those little critters, and then another corner that is really kind of more generic. And we have mushrooms on the side along with that center area. And then this one that's really a generic. You can do a lot with that. Very fun to use. Okay, and get our camera back. Okay, then we have more. So again, now on these you're getting 2 of every single one. How pretty. So this has got a whole bunch of them playing in that Midnight Garden. Here we've got another, just really wonderful. And here we go with that little mouse and all of those leaves over on the side. So as I said, there are 120 pieces. You're going to get a lot of ideas to jumpstart your creativity. Now, Hunky Dory tells us you can make 16 cards out of here. Actually, they say at least 16. You know, I know you're going to make more than that, and you're going to make some beautiful ones. These are also very nice for masculine cards, and it's great to have that. So it could be for children, could be for teens, for other female friends and relatives, and also for men. That's a really great deal. Midnight Garden by Hunky Dory.